Okay, welcome back. There's 15 minutes to go for the pre-open session. Anuj is here with what he's making of the trade setup this morning. Anuj, good morning.
Good morning, Prashant. And it's a make or break week for us. For starters, it's a full week. But the good news is next week you have 2 holidays. So that is going to be a really good one. But, let me just go through why I'm saying it's a make or break week, because the market has been making some crucial lows. The highs have been coming off significantly, but the low are also coming up little bit, but look at the table. 22,446 became 22,204, then 22,120. That's in terms of highs, significantly lower than the previous highs. But the lows from 21,905 to 21,917 to 21,931. So the short point is that 21,900 to 930 is holding. Even in the even in the face of bad news. So that's good news. Now, in terms of what the markets have done this month, the Nifty is up 0.2%, mid cap is down 3%, small cap is down 7%. But look at it from the highs. The Nifty is down only 2%, the small cap index is down 11%. What that means is that in certain cases, portfolios would be down 20 to 40%, depending on what kind of stocks you're holding. The other interesting table is what's happening with the FI positioning. We had started to reach a stage where we were almost approaching the net neutral zone, 43% shorts. We're back down to 38% short. And in terms of contracts, we're almost double of what we were at the start of last week, from 30,000 to almost 60,000. The put call ratio is at 0.99. Now, over the last 2 or 3 days, we've seen it fall to 0.65 also. So let's see if there's some more selling which happens today. In terms of levels to watch on the Nifty, I'm watching out for 2 support zones. First is 21,905 to 21,931, as I highlighted in the table, the last 3 days low. And the 50-day exponential moving average is at 21,812. That's the level which normally markets hold in an uptrend. On the upside, the resistance comes in at 22,120 to 22,151, Friday's high and 20-day exponential moving average. And the bigger resistance is 22,200, the 10-day exponential moving average, and going by the option zone. The bank Nifty is relatively stronger than the Nifty and the mid caps. It's actually still up about 1% for this month. Here the support lies in at 46,300 to 46,450, which is Friday's low and the 50-day exponential moving average, and then 46,100 to 46,200, the option zone and 100-day exponential moving average. And of course, you want to keep an eye on HDFC Bank, because that's showing some signs, again, some signs only of bottom formation. But let's see if that holds out this week or not.
Thank you very much for that.